Hello everyone. Today here are some quotes on self-growth. I hope they will help you a lot and you will like these quotes. And if you like them, please like and share the video. Now let's start with our quotes. Instead of worry about what you cannot control, shift your energy to what you can create. Success will be within your reach only when you start reaching out for it. Have faith in your own ability and potential. Never allow self-doubt to imprison you. Everything you hope for and dream of is yours. Be brave to stand for what you believe in, even if you stand alone. Life's challenges are not supposed to paralyze you. They are supposed to help you discover who you are. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. The tragedy in life does not lie in not reaching your goal. The tragedy lies in having no goal to reach. Be patient with yourself. Self-growth is tender. It's holy ground. There is no greater investment. Within you lies a reservoir of strength. Tap into it and let the waves of determination propel you towards your goals. Believe not only in your dreams but in the indomitable spirit that can turn them into reality. Thank you for being with us.